Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Steve, MQF5 Expert Advisor Programming. In this video, we're going to learn how to output using highlights, comments, prints, functions. So join me as we start. Okay, now, sometimes you don't just want to have a black screen in front of you and there are programs running and you don't know what is going on. Sometimes you want your values, you want to see what's going on, and that is a very good programming practice, that you see what is going on in behind. Try to output some. You output this in form of highlights, comments, prints. Now this is the previous program that we ran, the moving average crossing. So I'm just going to try to incorporate the output functions. Okay, so this is the program. I just copied it and pasted here. Okay, now sometimes you don't actually want to trade. You don't want the robot to trade for you. You want it to just tell you whenever certain conditions are met, whenever the market or the pattern is in a way that you have defined, and that is what the highlight function will do for you. So you say highlight. In this place I introduce a highlight and say time to sell. You just want it to alert you when it's time to sell. And the same thing when it's time to buy. Let me just comment out this trade.buy. So it's not going to buy anything, it's just going to tell you there is the signal RSI same buy and signal MA is buy. It's good when sometimes you want to be too sure. There are other factors you want to consider. You don't want to just enter into any position yet. So the highlight function, the way it works, it takes in string input and then you see a dialog box come up on your computer screen telling you, writing whatever is inside there. This will be time to buy, this will be time to sell. This will not show in your optimization backtesting when you're using the strategy optimization. So you're not going to see this will come up in a live trade when you're running your live program. Okay, so comment to comes like this. We've used this but just there's no crime going over it again. It takes in your string input and I say yes, RSI equals double to string, helps us to convert the value of RSI, which is double, to string, and this 3 is, I want maximum of 3 decimal places. Backslash n is to tell you new line, signal RSI, and then take a new line and write signal MA equals this. This is already string, so no need to convert. This is not string, that is why we RSI value is not string. That's why we have to use a double to string function. Sometimes it's very important to convert if you want the best output for you. Just convert by yourself. Okay. We also have the print function. The print function, you will see the output of this will appear under journal. Under journal when you start to run the code. You see what I mean by the time we run this code. Comments will appear on the top. Print will appear under. So I just say, okay, RSI equals, I do the same thing I've done here. This 92 decimal places double to string. Okay, now so I think we're ready to go now. We're ready to compile our program. We have a little warning here. It says on SK unrecognized characters. Oh, there's a mistake here. It should be a new line. Sorry. Now we can compile, and once we have the green light, no error, no one. Okay, so we're good to go now. Let's go to our trade terminal. So here, just select and start. So I just pause this, and this is where you see whatever you write as comments. RSI equals 32.270. This is because we made this to be 3 decimal places. Signal RSI is signal MA. There's nothing yet, it's empty. And what you write as print will appear on the journal. So you see, this is where it outputs this. So I showed 3 things: comments, prints, highlight. I told you highlight will not come here. You need to be in a live 3D section for you to see that. There's a fourth one which is called the print format. The print format is basically the same thing except that it allows you to format your output in a better way. So you can just go to www.mql5.com/en/docs/common/printformat and see the documentation that was made on this. So it says they format an interset of symbols and values in the sprite vector log in accordance with a preset format. So the format, you put it, you can read up. You can also use printf. It works the same way. The flags, the weight, the precision, you can set it if you want. For example, you're going to have decimal, you're going to have double precision, you're going to have you want to have something in high format, something times 10 raised to power. You can do it better with print format. So that is why it's best. Okay, that's the video. Thank you for watching. If you have a comment, let me know in the comment section. How do you feel about this? All right, thank you for watching. Once again, remember to like, subscribe, and share our videos. Thank you.